This is not the glamorous K-pop trainee life you see on TikTok. This is not the perfect morning, with sunlight, a pretty coffee, and cute gym outfits. This is the reality for those who train with nothing. No perfect studio. No expensive equipment. No personal coach is waiting to guide them step by step. This is for the ones who train in their bedroom, their backyard, even in the corner of a small room while the world is asleep. This is the plan for fighters. And if you're ready, I'll show you the routine and secrets they never wanted you to know. But be warned, once you know this, you can't unknow it. Because you will realize you have no excuse left. This is the plan for fighters. And if you're ready, I'll show you the routine and secrets they never wanted you to know. And now, we're going in depth. So keep watching if you want to be the next K-pop artist. This video is for you. Let's go to the first part, the truth nobody tells you. Every year, thousands audition. Some come with years of professional training. Others? They are like you, unknown, unnoticed, starting from zero. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Passing an audition is not just about talent. It's about survival. The K-pop industry is not searching for perfect people. They're searching for people who can survive the impossible. People who will keep going when they're exhausted, who can smile when their feet are burning, and who can hold their head high even after being told no 100 times. That is what you need to become. Not just good, but unbreakable. And the second part is the 3 warrior rules. There are 3 rules for becoming an unbreakable trainee. Remember them like you remember your name. Rule 1, no excuses. Your environment does not decide your future. I've seen people practice choreography in the reflection of a car window because they had no mirror. I've seen singers warm up in a park because they couldn't afford a studio. If you have space to stand, you have space to train. If you have a phone, you have a way to see your progress. That's all, just train, no matter what it costs. Rule 2, outlast the pain. The human brain always wants to stop when something feels hard. But the warriors? They keep going and they tell their mind just 30 more seconds. Those 30 seconds are where the magic happens, where your legs get stronger, your voice gets more control, and your confidence grows. And the third and also the last rule is daily discipline over motivation. Motivation is like sugar, it gives you energy for a short moment, then disappears. Discipline is the fuel that keeps you moving even when you feel tired, lazy, or hopeless. Warriors show up every single day, even if they can only do 10 minutes. Especially on the bad days, because remember that's when the weak ones quit. So ask yourself, on which side are you? By the weak side or by the warriors? And the third part is called the daily warrior routine. So, how do you actually train like a warrior? Here's your daily warrior routine, built for people with nothing but determination. Step 1, morning power start for 15 minutes. First, wake up your body. Roll your shoulders, loosen your neck, stretch your arms and legs. Drop to the ground, 30 push-ups, 30 squats, and hold a plank for 1 full minute. End with 5 minutes of freestyle dance, not to look good, but to feel free. Let your body move without judgment. Step 2, skill training for 30 minutes. Choose one focus, dance or vocals. Don't try to master both at the same time every day. Warriors focus on each of them at a time, but I am not saying just practice one category only. I am saying one category per time. Then, if you choose dance, pick one move or 1/8 count and repeat until it feels smoother than yesterday. If you choose vocals, warm up with scales, then practice one short song section repeatedly. And step 3 is endurance boost for 20 minutes. Jump rope, run in place, or do high knees. And if you don't have a jump rope? That's very okay because you can pretend like you have one. The goal is to keep your heart rate up for the entire 20 minutes. And the last step, which is the 4th step, is night grind for 15 minutes. Film yourself doing the skill you trained earlier. Watch it back. Write down exactly what needs to improve. Then, do one last burst of practice before bed. Do this every day, and in 30 days you'll be different. In 90 days, unrecognizable. And the next part, which is the audition edge, they hide. Now let's talk about the part they don't put in the audition guides. The thing that can make you unforgettable. Passing an audition is not only about singing, dancing, or rapping well. It's about psychology. The judges are human. And all humans can be tricked by psychology, and also humans remember emotion. Here's your hidden advantage. Start with something that grabs attention instantly, maybe a big dance move, a sudden pause, or a powerful note. Hold eye contact with the camera or the judges for just 1 second longer than feels comfortable. That extra second makes you memorable. Tell a story with your face. Don't just smile, feel the emotion of the song and let it live in your expression. And here's the final trick, even if you mess up, don't show it. The strongest trainees don't break character when they fail, they keep performing like nothing happened. And remember, where you are or who you are might not stop you. Don't let it stop you from chasing your dream. And you might be watching this in a small room. Maybe you have no dance teacher. Maybe you've never stepped inside a recording studio. But none of that matters if you have the mindset of a warrior. Because the truth is, you don't need to be the most talented in the room. You just need to be the one who refuses to quit. Train like a warrior. Think like a survivor. Walk into every audition like you've already been chosen. This is the plan they never wanted you to find. But now, you know it. The rest is up to you. Now you know the basic and necessary thing that they never wanted you to find out. The only question is, will you use it? Keep training. Keep fighting. And remember, every day you put in the work, you're one step closer to debut. This is NextGen Idols. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Keep training, keep fighting, and I'll see you in the next video.